Well, I love the edging material that you've selected here, Tricia. It really goes with the house well.
Oh, thanks, Danny. This is a really nice stone look that works well with the bricks.
There's so many different kinds of edging, though. You go through the garden center and you just see a number of different kinds there.
There are a lot of different choices. One really popular kind is the plastic bender board that uses the stakes,
Right.
and another is the more flexible rubber kind that has kind of like a little rubber edge on
Right,
the very
seen that.
top.
Uh-huh.
And then one that's really nice for a formal look is simply doing a brick paver along an edge.
Okay, but how deep do you normally put edging? Do you protrude it up a good bit, or you try to keep it flush? What's the best?
Well, it really depends on what kind of edging you're using, but in most instances you definitely have to put it below the ground level to support it. And then if you want to be supporting something out here, then you want it a little bit higher.
Okay, now what are the advantages, though? I mean, these homeowners have not had any edging, it looks like forever, so why even go through the effort of putting any edging in?
There are so many benefits, but some that come to mind. The first one is if you use a weed trimmer, you have this nice solid edge that you can go against. Also mowing, it's a very clear line. It also will support the material that you have in your bed. And finally, it's a beautiful, beautiful frame for your beds.